Can ChatGPT really help you trade? This is a question that has been gaining a lot of attention in the trading community. Can artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, provide real actionable trade signals? Can it analyze markets better than a human trader, even one with years of experience? These are the questions we are exploring in this video series. There has been a surge in AI-powered trading tools, and many traders are curious about whether ChatGPT can actually be used for real-time market analysis. Automated trading bots have been around for a while, developed by programmers who claim their algorithms can outperform human traders. These bots scan the markets, identify patterns, and execute trades based on predefined rules. But what about ChatGPT? Unlike trading bots, ChatGPT is a language model designed for text-based analysis, meaning it does not directly execute trades or predict price movements in the same way. However, it does have the ability to analyze market data, provide insights, and assist traders in making more informed decisions. The real question is, can ChatGPT be used as an effective trading assistant? Can it help traders by interpreting market conditions, identifying trends, and generating trade ideas? This is exactly what we aim to find out. Many traders have tried using ChatGPT by simply asking it, "Give me a trading signal for EUR, USD, or analyze the Forex market for me." But typically, ChatGPT responds with general insights, discussing technical indicators, possible market movements, and general advice. While this information can be useful, it lacks the precision needed for making real trades. What traders actually need is a clear, actionable signal, specific entry and exit points based on solid technical analysis. To make ChatGPT more useful for trading, it needs to be combined with real market data and a structured approach to analysis. ChatGPT is capable of analyzing price charts when given the right input, but the challenge is how to extract the most valuable insights from it. Instead of relying on ChatGPT's general responses, traders can refine their questions and provide it with specific data. For example, by uploading a Forex chart and asking ChatGPT to analyze it using predefined indicators, traders can get a more detailed and structured analysis. In our test, we are using ChatGPT with real Forex charts, specifically focusing on EUR/USD. We are combining it with key technical indicators to generate precise trading signals. The indicators we are using include the Ichimoku Cloud, which helps identify trends and momentum, Bollinger Bands, which measure volatility and potential breakouts, and MACD, which is a strong momentum indicator used for confirming trend direction. By integrating these indicators into our analysis, we aim to see if ChatGPT can process this information and generate trade signals that are actually usable. The process is simple. First, we upload a Forex chart with real market data. Then, we ask ChatGPT to analyze the chart using specific indicators. Instead of relying on its general market knowledge, we are feeding it structured information and asking for a focused analysis. From there, we expect ChatGPT to provide us with specific details such as trade direction, entry points, take-profit targets, stop-loss levels, and risk-reward ratios. The goal is to see whether ChatGPT can deliver clear and precise trade recommendations, similar to what a professional trader would generate. But the most important question remains, does it work? This is where we put ChatGPT to the test. We will execute the trade signals it generates, track their performance over time, and compare the results to traditional manual trading strategies. If ChatGPT can consistently generate profitable and accurate trading signals, it could change the way traders approach market analysis. Instead of replacing traders, ChatGPT could serve as a powerful assistant, helping them make faster, more informed decisions. So, can ChatGPT really be used for trading? Can it become an essential tool for traders looking to improve their analysis and execution? We are about to find out. In the next video, we will apply ChatGPT's analysis to real-time market conditions and see if its trade recommendations hold up in actual trading scenarios. Stay tuned as we explore the true potential of ChatGPT in Forex trading.